In this video, we will explore the Explorer and Components panels. You will learn how you can use Altium 365 component libraries that will be shown for illustration purposes, as we don't use the active workspace in the course. In order to use the Explorer panel, we must be connected to an Altium 365 workspace. Once connected to the correct workspace, open the Explorer panel. The Explorer panel has the capability to view item categories and items stored in the workspace. What is visible depends on the folder permissions. Among the item categories available is the component definition. Along the top of the panel is the path field for the item category. Along the left is the tree view for the item's category. Expand components and select a component type. Along the top right of the Explorer panel exists the items from the selected category. Along the bottom right are the details for the selected item. To place a component from the Explorer panel, simply right-click on the component and select Place. Ensure that you have the schematic document open first. Searching for a specific item is simple. Select the Search tab along the bottom left. Here, the search command line is along the top. If any exists, along the left are saved searches along with a predefined search filter. Within the bottom half of the panel exists the component details. Right-clicking a component here will also allow the Place command to add it to the schematic. Moving on to the Components panel, open this panel by selecting Panels, then Components. The Components panel provides direct access to available components. These components may be stored in various locations, such as a workspace, a database library, or a file-based library. Depending on the defined view and panel options, different displays within the Components panel are available. The Compact view displays different component categories. To see all components that exist within a category, select the category. The Switch Mode button at the top right switches between the compact and normal views of the Components panel. The Operations button opens configuration options. The Details area can be expanded or minimized. Within the Details area, there is a preview of the schematic symbol, PCB footprint, as well as parametric information. Switching the normal view and increasing the panel size, the categories can be displayed along the left. The filter view can be enabled or disabled by selecting the filter icon. To the right of the filter section is the component list. And to the right of the component list exists the details about the selected component. To add a component to the schematic, right-click on the component and select Place, or left-click the part and drag it from the panel into the schematic. We've come to the end of our discussion on the Components panel and the Explorer panel. Thanks for watching.